Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share this fantastic iPad leather case from EURYNOME. Now, this case really has everything. It is perfect for professionals of all types to carry their essentials and their iPad. So it is not only something that carries your iPad and protects it, but it also has a notepad holder, slots for your pens, cards, extra pockets, and even a container for your wireless earphone charging case. The case itself is just so elegant and professional. It's made of crazy horse leather, which isn't what the name hints. It's actually made from cowhide, and it isn't made for any specific iPad. So be sure to check your iPad's dimensions before purchasing. My iPad is a 2018 9.7 inch screen, and it perfectly fits within the iPad holder. I think this is just such a great gift idea for graduates, friends, or family. You will just be setting them up for success when they have it. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.